What if I told you that losing weight isn't about starving yourself or spending hours at the gym? What if there's a simpler, more effective way to shed those extra pounds? Yes, you heard it right. The world of weight loss is shrouded in a plethora of misconceptions that often lead people down a road of unhealthy and unsustainable habits. Many believe that skipping meals or pushing oneself to the brink of exhaustion at the gym is the key to shedding pounds. However, these methods are not only detrimental to one's health, but they also often lead to short-term results and long-term disappointment. The real secret to effective weight loss is a balanced approach that includes a healthier diet, regular physical activity, and a positive mindset. It's not about punishing your body, it's about treating it with kindness and understanding. So, are you ready to debunk the myths and discover a healthier, more effective approach to weight loss? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of effective weight loss. Believe it or not, weight loss boils down to simple science. It's all about the balance of energy. The energy we get from food is measured in calories, and the energy we use in our daily activities, including exercise, also burns calories. The key to losing weight is creating a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. This can be achieved in two ways, either by reducing the amount of calories you take in, or by increasing the amount of calories you burn through physical activity. Imagine a seesaw. On one side, you have the calories you consume, and on the other, the calories you burn. To lose weight, you need to tip that seesaw in favor of burning more calories. Remember, it's crucial to balance healthy eating with regular physical activity. It's not just about eating less, but also about moving more and making healthier food choices. Now that we understand the science, let's move on to the practical steps. Scene script. Ready to lose 6 pounds in a month? Here's your 4-week plan. Embrace the thrill of a new beginning as we delve into week 1. This week, our spotlight shines on portion control. You see, it's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Picture your plate divided into quarters. Half should be filled with colorful veggies, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. This simple visualization technique can be your secret weapon in controlling portion sizes. Now let's hop into week 2, where we'll be incorporating regular exercise. No need to morph into a marathon runner overnight, because even light activities can make a huge difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, swimming, or even dancing around your living room. The key is to find an activity that you enjoy, so you'll be more likely to stick with it. As we welcome week 3, we're turning our attention to nutritious food choices. This week, let's focus on swapping out processed foods for whole, natural foods. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips, grab an apple or a handful of nuts. Remember, every healthy choice you make is a step closer to your weight loss goal. Finally, we arrive at week 4. By now you've made significant changes, and it's time to cement these into your lifestyle. This week is all about consistency. Keep up with the portion control, regular exercise, and nutritious food choices. It might feel challenging at times, but remember that every journey begins with a single step. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the plan and you'll see results. With patience and perseverance, you're not just losing 6 pounds in a month, you're gaining a healthier and more vibrant life. So let's embark on this journey together and watch as the magic of change unfolds. Weight loss doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right approach, it can be as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane. We've uncovered the mystery of weight loss, showing that it's not some enigma wrapped in a riddle, but a process rooted in science. We've dived into that science, illuminating the role of calories, exercise, and even sleep in shedding those unwanted pounds. And we've sketched out a 4-week weight loss plan, a roadmap, if you will, that can guide you on this journey. It's a balanced approach, emphasizing not just diet and exercise, but also the importance of maintaining your mental well-being. So, are you ready to embark on your weight loss journey? Remember, your health is your wealth. Start today and see the difference a month can make. In this game of life, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And your journey to a healthier, happier you starts now.